Every year, governments, companies, and individuals around the world have lost billions of dollars to cyber attacks. New security breaches and incidents are reported almost every other day. There is a pressing need for cybersecurity talents to safeguard our privacy and data.
In Malaysia, we have seen a talent gap in addressing the demand for cybersecurity professionals. We at MDEC have discovered the needs for developing new talent who are competent in coping with global cybersecurity challenges. To close the talent gap, MDEC has worked together with APU to establish Malaysia's first integrated cybersecurity talent zone.
Welcome to APU's Cybersecurity Talent Zone. This zone, comprising of 5 major functions, is equipped with the latest tools that are industry grade and resources. And by the way, the overall setup brings the real working environment into APU. APU, as a premier digital tech university, has invested in these to ensure our students are provided with the tools and resources to enhance their learnings in a real working environment.
There are 5 integral components of the Cybersecurity Talent Zone, which are the Cyber Range, the Security Operations Center, the CISCO Networking Academy, the Center for Research in IoT, and the Forensics and Cybersecurity Research Center.
Most of these facilities have been set up in collaboration with our industry partners to ensure that our students have the right capabilities to move into the world of work.
The Cyber Range is a full-fledged cybersecurity simulation and response center. It is equipped with the latest technologies which are of the military grade level. It can be used to deploy, counter malicious and cyber security attacks which are current and in a hyper-realistic environment.
The Security Operations Center is a platform where students can practice their cybersecurity monitoring skill. The center is fully operated and managed by our own cybersecurity students, in which they will fulfill 50 learning hours monitoring APU networks and also detecting for any anomalies.
Upon completion of the SOC program, students obtain a certificate which acts as a testament of their industry exposure and hands-on experience. It's an added advantage for our students as they join the workforce. It helps them build a strong CV for themselves.
Networks play an important role in cybersecurity. The CISCO Networking Academy was set up to train students to be capable of setting up network routers, switches, and setting up secure network. It is designed to provide practical experience and to equip students with hands-on experience in digital skills for networking.
In the IoT Research Center credit, students explore the possibilities of an emerging technology concept, which is the Internet of Things. In the center, both academic and staff are provided with a platform to develop outstanding, award-winning IoT projects. We have worked with industry to develop innovative solutions to demonstrate the industry-academia collaboration at its best.
The Forensic and Cybersecurity Research Center is a space for students to explore the world of cybersecurity and digital forensics. Our students have prepared for various competitions and research exposition in this center. With the guidance of our outstanding academics, their creativity and innovation has placed us as one of the best cybersecurity education provider in Malaysia.
APU's overall purpose is to transform students to become highly employable, competent and future-proof professionals. And this zone is a clear example of APU's actions aligning with its purpose.